Hello, friends! Can you see a difference to my crocheted mask? Yes, I added a eye face shield, and it fits nicely over my glasses. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an eye shield for your face mask that we did in my custom fit crocheted face mask tutorial. The link to the face mask will be in the description first thing in the box below. So come join me and I'm going to show you how to make this face shield and add it so that it is removable and can be worn over eyeglasses. Come on, let's get started. The materials and the tools that we will be using to make this face cover to go over our existing custom fit crocheted face mask. We want the yarn that we use to make our mask, a large eye tapestry needle. This is a hole puncher for 1/8 of an inch, pair of scissors, a piece of paper 8 inches by 3.5 inches. Here I have a dry eraser pen, but you can use a permanent marker, a ruler, and what we will be making our mask out of. Yes, you see upholstery on this. It is actually upholstery lining to help protect your furniture. It is very thick and it is perfect for standing upright, and so it won't lean on your skin and it'll conform to our face mask. So let's get started. So to begin, you'll see that I have my 3.5 inches by 8 inch paper. On this, I also curved the corners. And on the bottom here, I have dots for the punch marks. I wrote this out so it would be easier for you to follow using our camera here. So what I would like for you to do is measure up from the bottom to the 3/8 inch line and draw a light line across. When you come to the center, place your first dot in the middle. This will be right here at the 4 inch. And then go over 1/2 inch until you get to where you have some space left here at the end. The last one, you'll want to make it 5/8 of an inch, so you're just increasing the punch mark from here to here by 1/8 of an inch. And you'll do the same thing over here on the other side. Okay, so this way we do not have to have a PDF or anything else. This is just a rectangular shape that we will be using. Next, you will want to open up your vinyl here. And here I purchased 1/4 of a yard. So this is 9 inches. Okay, so that you can get the most out of this, we're going to place it going the 1/4 of a yard direction. So with your felt tip marker, trace all the way around it and then cut it out using your scissors. After you cut it out, line it up and then make your marks for your dots all the way across. Lining the hole puncher with the mark, go ahead and punch each one of the holes across. With our tapestry needle, let's go ahead and thread a length of our yarn longer than what we need for right here. Okay, we do not need to knot this. I'm going to show you how to knot the end of it. So take our corner and the last row of our crochet, we're going to come up from behind. When you stop, leave a tail of about 3 inches and then continue across, following the same row to the other end. We're going to just do a running stitch, all right, and then once you get started, you want to line your dots up with the last row here on the other side and continue making your running stitches till you get to the end. I'll meet you there. At the end of the row, so that we can make this removable, go under your last stitch and just do a light overhand knot. This will make it so that you can remove it when you need to wash it. Yes, you will have to sew it back on, but at least it'll be clean and fresh. And then we do the other side. Go under the thread from the running stitch and make a light overhand knot. Okay, and here we have added on a face shield to help protect our eyes, to help remind us not to touch our nose and our eyes. The nice thing about this too is that it will fit over your glasses. I hope this was helpful. Please be safe during this time. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Now, before I really truly leave you, let's show you how to remove it. Just undo your knot, your little overhand knot on both sides. I had to have my fingernails cut off because the spas are not open, so I'm sorry not to have pretty fingers to show you in this tutorial. Hopefully our life will come pretty normal here pretty soon. But safety and health first. So I hope none of y'all are out there complaining because you don't have fingernails and all this other stuff. Okay, so once we undid our knots, let's just start pulling out our running stitch. You can lift up the ends. All right. It looks cumbersome and but it's really not that bad. You remember when you put it on, it didn't take that long. So now we can go ahead and wash this. Wash it in cold water because it is cotton. Air it to dry, and it'll be ready for you to wear the next time. Then all you have to do is sew it back on. So now, yes, I'm going to say goodbye. All you have to do is use the same string you cut out with, or you can use a fresh one. So, till next time, take care, please. Be safe during this virus time. Bye-bye.